Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing an ND filter by K&F Concept. So this is the Nano-B series. See, just going to keep it here. The Nano-B series ND filter by K&F Concept. So this is how the packaging is. I'm going to be unboxing it as well. So currently I'm shooting at f14 with a shutter speed of 125 and ISO of 100. If I want to record my videos at f2.8 and the following the 180 degree shutter rule, that is, if you're recording at 25 frames per second, then you set the shutter speed to 1/50th of the second, and then if you want to get that bokeh or a cinematic effect, then you have to use a aperture of either like something lesser than 4, somewhere around 2.8, 1.8. If you want to use a wide open aperture, then you will get overexposed images, and that is where the ND filter will come into picture. So this is the ND2 to ND400. So I think that's around, and the thread size is 82 mm. I'm using a Sony A7 Mark IV with a Sigma 2470 f2.8 lens. So I think when you say ND400, it must be around 9 stops, 9 ND stops. Let's just test how that works out. So this comes with this orange packaging. Hi.
Hi.
So I'm here by the countryside near Kanakpura Road. So there's a lot of farmlands over here and people are really friendly. I've lived here for some time during my college days. Anyways, okay, so we have the ND filter in this casing. It's a white casing over here, and then we have what is this? Just some information regarding this, and there's this QR. It's like not exactly a warranty card, it's just some information regarding this. So this is how it looks. So we have the ND filter here. See, currently it's at the minimum position, that's ND2, and you can see the changes in the ND filter. As you increase the ND, you see it turned black completely, and that's how it's going to stop the light. Let's test it out. So this is how the image looks when I'm recording at 24 fps. The shutter speed is 1/50th of a second. The aperture is wide open at f2.8 and the ISO is 100. You see how overexposed the image is. Let's see if this ND filter fixes it. I'm going to set the ND filter at the lowest setting, that is ND2. That's the first stop. That's the minimum one. And I'm going to plug this in and let's see how it fares. Here you go. So currently the ND filter is at 1 stop. How does it look? It has already balanced the image a little. I'm visible. Earlier I was not. I'm gonna bump it up to 2 stops right now. So there you go. This is the stop 2. This is stop 3. Stop 4. Stop 5. Stop 6. Stop 7. Stop 8. You see, it has already started balancing the image. So now I'm more visible, my background is visible. The whites are still blown out. Stop 9. Stop 10. The exposure is better than before. Stop 11. The image is well exposed. I think this is a sweet spot. Stop 12. The image starts getting underexposed. And the last one, the vignetting gets really high and the image becomes unusable. Let us compare photos side by side without ND filter and with an ND filter. This will give us an idea as to how much color cast or what color the ND filter throws in. We can see in these photos that the color cast thrown by this ND filter is very negligible. There is a slight green color cast which is editable in post. So this is at the 11th stop and I find this very balanced as of now. So the time is around 10:15 a.m. and you see it's very sunny and it's balancing out the colors. The light, I mean, it's balancing out the light and I'm well exposed. So I paid 2,500 rupees for this. This is by K&F as I indicated. This is the cheapest of their models. If you are purchasing an ND filter on a budget, I think this is the one for you. I have an A7 IV Sigma 2470 f2.8. The base ISO when I'm recording it in S-Log 3 is 640 to 800. Even if I bump up the ISO and set the ND filter to 12, that's the max level in this ND filter, that's ND400, that works really well. So awesome, thumbs up to this. I'm really happy that I made this purchase. See you all. Drop down in the comments if you want to know more reviews and subscribe for more. Thank you.